Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi 12 Pro to an Android device. Firstly, access Play Store on both of them, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Following that, from this screen here, select I accept, confirm, continue, misclick, continue and allow. Then you need to select Send on Xiaomi and Receive on an Android. Following that, choose No Thanks and close this window. Then tap on all of those dots on Xiaomi device and choose Send. This way you will select all of those and transfer them later on. It will take some time, so I will only go with one photo, choose Send and tap on Get It. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key over here and tap on Receive. Now, after a little couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!